And you notice my solder, how I always put a hook at the end. You see, now you can understand why that hook is there. It's to reach around the other side without having to have it straight and go around the other side physically and wrap it around there. This is a lot easier. And again, if you want, I do have many videos out there on how to solder copper pipe. It covers pretty much in depth of exactly what I'm doing, soldering copper pipe, and how you can solder copper pipe.